Hi, I am Dinesh, studying in Lendi Institute of Engineering College in CSC branch. Now, I want to interview a senior who is already placed in TCS companies. Let's go over.
Hi, I currently working on TCS company in Hyderabad. My domain is about the cloud technologies. I'm working in a passionate way about the TCS company. What would you ask about me?
What is your overall experience in interviews?
In interviews, most of the questions are related to the coding and technical rounds. Basic level terms will be introduced by the HR round. Basically, HR can be more interactive with you if you are free to the HR, and you should need a self confidence and motivator spirit in you. When you are answering a question, you would ask about the interview point of view that HR round. In that HR round, you should be more interactive with the HR, and you should be impress the HR. What you have to do. Yeah.
Is the same feeling your friends also felt, or the same
According to
different?
the HR perspectives, there should be a male or female. According to that point of view, you have to impress according to your skills and your technologies. What you have to.
Did they ask any questions about your mini projects?
Yeah, of course. This is the mainly foremost point that can be every HR can be asked. What should you do in mini projects? Accordingly, actually, you have to do third year mini project and final year complete project about. They can be asked about your mini project only. According to the final year students, we have to done in online and offline. According to the offline only, we can get somewhat experience about what is the real life situation that you can be faced in a corporate life rather than the online. But according to the circumstances of the every person, they can be chooses according to the online and offline. Mini projects can be done according to what you have the skills that you can be based. Example AI, data science and technologies, robotics. What you have to know about it. Or any HTML coding, full stack, Java like that.
Can you share any tips for your juniors
Yeah.
how to face an interview and how to be confident?
Because while preparing a company interview or a company drive, you should mainly focus on first written round. There can be some platforms that can be used in our knowledge, improving our knowledge. Like YouTube is the everyone we can
Everyone learning from
everyone learning platform. Rather than the YouTube, there can be many platforms like GitHub, ChatGPT, the AI technologies like that. You can share everything in that, and you can gain knowledge. First, we have to written qualify the written after a technical round. In technical round, there can be according to the company there can be two coding and SQL queries. SQL queries could be nature in InfyTQ.
how many interview rounds you have faced.
While in campus drives only I get the job. In campus drives, after getting the two companies experiences, I got placed in the TCS company Hyderabad.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing your valuable time for us and sharing your overall experience in the interviews. Thank you. It will be very helpful to us.